What is up, everybody? My name is Ian and I'm with Car With Us, and today I'm going to show you how to detail the inside and outside of a car on a budget. This is my 2004 Toyota MR2 Spyder, and from what you can see, it's not too bad from a cleanliness perspective. It's pretty clean right now. I do have some water spots that have settled into the paint. And so what we really want to do today is give it a nice, fresh clean, get a clean start, and then we're going to detail this. Now, I just got the windows tinted, so what you can see is the window tinter kind of left some residue on the car. So this is what's initiating the reason why I'm detailing the car today. I'm really excited to get my hands dirty on this today, and we'll see how good we can get it. I just bought it about a year ago. And yeah, I think it's due for some pampering, so let's get started. I like to start with the interior. The other thing too, I'm waiting for some stuff from Amazon in the afternoon for the exterior, so we're going to start with the interior here. You can see, needs some love for sure. So what we're going to do is, first of all, I'm going to get my vacuum, and we're going to get started here. Now, I said this is on a budget, so we're using my 8-year-old Dyson vacuum that has seen a lot of dog hair. Personally, I like to vacuum a little bit before I take out the carpets, just so that they don't leave a total mess when I pull them out. They'll still leave a little bit of a mess if you take them out slow enough. Just don't rip them out. That's the key. A lot of people just rip them out, but if you do it nice and slow, you fold it a little bit, you'll like a taco. You'll keep it clean, and see, I just avoided all of that mess going back into the car. So you see these dog hairs just get stuck in there. Now, rumor has it that static guard spray will help pull these out. So I went and bought some for $4 at Publix, and we're gonna try it out right now. Fun spot everybody seems to miss on this car, back here. So we're gonna get back there now. Alright, y'all, that static guard, I can verify that works. You just have to spray it pretty healthy, but it got like 90% of the hairs that are there. I picked a really bad day to do this. It's 9:30 in the morning right now, and it's blisteringly hot. Whew. I think it's feels like 101 out here. That's, yeah. Note to self, if you live in Southwest Florida, probably don't do this during the heat of the summer. That's a good idea. Heat exhaustion is real. So to avoid passing out, I pulled the car inside just so we could finish the interior in here. No need to do the interior outside. That's really, other than if you don't have good enough light and you can't see the dirt, really doesn't make a lot of sense. So pulled the car inside, finished the interior with the vacuuming and the cleaning. See what we get. Pretty good. Yeah. See? Household vacuum does a pretty darn good job. Looking pretty good. So the next step here, I'm going to grab the detail brushes that I got, and we will start to get into the nooks and crannies here of the vehicle. Alright, y'all, so I got this off of Amazon. I get a lot of stuff off of Amazon. Easy, cost effective, thanks Amazon Prime. So this little detail brush set is going to help us get into all of the little corners of an interior and get all the dust and dirt out so it looks nice and fresh and clean. Look at that. Oh, God. I've been sitting on that. That's disgusting. Oh, God. I wish I had 3 hands. Ah. Vacuuming is pretty much done. Now, we are going to move on to the next step, and that is going to be spraying down. Now, I use this 303 multi-surface cleaner. Now, what I do is I buy that, and then I grab this from the grocery store, and I dilute it. It's probably good to do even up to 3 to 1, but on a budget, you could probably dilute it 4 to 1 and still have it be effective. So let's get spraying. Now what we're going to do here, I'm going to spray onto the microfiber cloth and then clean it. That moment when you realize you're too sweaty to put on gloves easily. Other tip here, when you switch from the vacuuming to using chemicals, wear gloves. Gloves protect your hands from chemicals. I think we learned that in like 5th grade science lab, but again, it may seem like, oh, it's diluted and it's safe, and even if the label says it's safe to use, you do not want to risk it. So just make sure, wear some gloves. I got a giant non-latex box, actually a 2-pack from Costco for like 10 bucks. They last for a while. I've only broken a couple. Totally worth it. Wear gloves. So, fun story, there's not a lot of storage in the MR2, but what there is back behind the seat. And I forgot to vacuum in there. So, gonna take a step back and I'm gonna vacuum this out. And I just wiped it off. Well, hey, alright, cool. Yeah, I guess I learned my lesson on that one. Alright. This is looking so much better. And that's just the cleaner, so we've got the clean, or the polish next. Have a discard bucket and put your dirty rags in there. Wash them later, grab a new rag, and do that frequently. Fun fact, you can wash these, but when you're drying them, do not dry them with static lint sheets, otherwise it damages the little pieces of the microfiber in there and they can cause scratches. So you can wash them. I would only recommend like washing them maybe 10 times before you should get a new set. Alright y'all, we just finished cleaning the interior. I've got these all wiped and cleaned. So now that it's clean, we want to make it shine. One of the reasons that I was attracted to it is because of that no oily, greasy, or sticky residue. I've worked with Armor All previously and didn't like that streakiness that it leaves. I have completed the shiner. and I am very pleased with the results. Now, a couple tips here. Make sure to get this side trim. Again, when you're entering a car, you notice all these things, even if it's subconscious. And so a lot of people miss those. They just get the dash and the sills, but even these pieces here, getting the seat belt fastener. This is a spot that a lot of people miss, right by the wheel well. You want to get all those spots so that it looks uniform. And that way when your eye is looking around, your brain is digesting all of that information. They don't find the flaws because everything looks uniform. All right, y'all, it's 12:35. Been working on the interior. It's near finished. Just gonna get some lunch, gonna have some tuna salad, and we'll get back to finishing the interior, and then we'll move to the exterior. A little bug decided to join us. Hi, bug. So cute. Stay out of my house.